Hey teens! Want to build stronger friendships, ace conversations, and impress everyone from friends to teachers and even future employers? You've come to the right place. Today, we're talking about 9 essential communication skills that will take you from shy to shining star. Stick with me till the end and I promise, you'll walk away with new ways to express yourself like a pro. Let's dive right in. Skill number 1, active listening. Communication isn't just about talking, it starts with listening. When you truly pay attention, people feel heard and understood. Pro tip: avoid interrupting and respond with phrases like, "I get what you're saying," or "Tell me more." Why it matters. Listening shows respect and builds trust. Skill number 2, nonverbal communication. Believe it or not, most of what we say is communicated through body language, tone, and facial expressions. Pro tip: make eye contact, sit or stand confidently, and smile often. Why it matters. People are more likely to listen when you communicate confidence without saying a word. Skill number 3, empathy. Empathy means understanding how others feel, even when you might not agree. Pro tip: phrases like, "I see why you feel that way," can open doors to deeper conversations. Why it matters. Empathy helps build meaningful connections. Skill number 4, asking questions. Curiosity isn't just for school. Asking open-ended questions like "How was your day?" keeps conversations flowing. Pro tip: avoid yes/no questions. Instead, ask things like, "What was your favorite part?" Why it matters. It shows you're genuinely interested and helps avoid awkward silences. Skill number 5, assertiveness without aggression. Being assertive is all about speaking up while still being respectful. Pro tip: use I statements such as "I feel upset" instead of blaming others. Why it matters. This ensures you express yourself without offending anyone. Skill number 6, managing conflict effectively. Conflicts are part of life. The key is handling them calmly and respectfully. Pro tip: stay calm, take a breath, and focus on finding solutions instead of blaming. Why it matters. Resolving conflicts peacefully strengthens relationships. Skill number 7, clear and concise communication. Get to the point. People appreciate clarity, especially when texting or chatting. Pro tip: use short, direct sentences. Avoid unnecessary details unless asked. Why it matters. It ensures your message doesn't get lost and saves time. Skill number 8, giving and receiving feedback. Learning to accept feedback without getting defensive is a superpower. Pro tip: when giving feedback, focus on actions, not personality. Why it matters. Good feedback helps you grow, and learning to receive it gracefully makes you stand out. Skill number 9, practicing digital etiquette. In today's world, communication extends to texts, social media, and emails. Pro tip: avoid sending messages in all caps. It's like shouting. And always think before you post. Why it matters. Your online interactions affect how people perceive you, so make them count. That's a wrap. Now it's your turn to practice these 9 skills and watch your relationships grow stronger and smoother. Which of these skills will you start working on today? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to never miss tips that help you thrive as a teen. Catch you next time.